Hello and welcome to the Redmond Audio Report, your weekly dive into the latest in Microsoft and tech news. I'm Chris Paoli, and this is our episode for the week of August 13th. We've got a jam-packed show for you today, covering everything from groundbreaking AI integrations and faster Windows recovery to the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats and new security tools from Microsoft. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with some big AI news. OpenAI's brand new GPT-5 model has just been integrated across Microsoft's entire portfolio of AI-powered tools, including Microsoft 365 Copilot, GitHub Copilot, Microsoft Copilot for consumers, and Azure AI Foundry. This integration brings a new architecture for smarter, real-time routing between different reasoning models, aiming to dramatically improve performance and accuracy. Microsoft notes that GPT-5 is built to understand context better, respond to longer, more complex prompts, and handle advanced tasks like full code generation and summarization. A key feature is the real-time model router, which automatically selects the optimal GPT-5 variant for your task, eliminating manual selection. For Microsoft 365, this means better context retention over long interactions. Consumer Copilot gets a new smart mode, and GitHub Copilot now includes GPT-5 in all paid tiers. Enterprises can use it via Azure AI Foundry with robust security. Microsoft also highlights its strong AI safety profile. Next up, for those who dread system crashes, Windows 11 is rolling out welcome improvements to recovery and uptime. The latest version, 24H2, includes two new features aimed at reducing downtime: a redesigned unexpected restart screen and quick machine recovery. The old sad face and QR code are gone from the restart screen, replaced with a cleaner look and a numerical error code for easier IT diagnosis. Microsoft acknowledged the old screen was frustrating and could stall for up to 40 seconds. More importantly, quick machine recovery is now generally available. This allows Windows 11 devices to automatically fix critical boot issues without user input or full reimaging. It uses the Windows recovery environment with targeted fixes via Windows Update to resolve startup problems. Enabled by default for home editions and manageable for Pro, Education, and Enterprise, Microsoft's early telemetry shows a promising 24% reduction in unexpected restart failures. This marks a significant step towards a more robust and self-healing Windows experience. Moving to system security, a new CrowdStrike report delivers stark warnings about the evolving cyber threat landscape. Their 2025 threat hunting report indicates adversaries are no longer just using AI. They're increasingly targeting the AI platforms organizations rely on. This, coupled with a record surge in cloud intrusions, signals a major shift. The report highlights a staggering 136% increase in cloud intrusions in the first half of 2025. What's alarming is the dual role of AI. While threat actors leverage generative AI for better phishing and malware, they're now actively exploiting vulnerabilities within AI platforms themselves as an initial access vector, turning AI tools into direct attack surfaces. The report also underscores that identity compromise is central to modern cross-domain attacks. Groups are using phishing and help desk impersonation to steal credentials and bypass multi-factor authentication. A key takeaway is that 81% of interactive intrusions were malware-free, emphasizing detection of hands-on keyboard activity. CrowdStrike advises adopting AI-powered security and rigorously defending cloud infrastructure to stay ahead of these threats. And staying on cyber threats, Flashpoint's Global Threat Intelligence Index Mid-Year Edition for the first half of 2025 reveals some startling numbers. The report highlights an absolutely massive 800% increase in stolen credentials linked to InfoStealer malware infections compared to 2024, resulting in 1.8 billion compromised records. These often serve as the initial entry point for larger malicious campaigns. Beyond credentials, newly disclosed vulnerabilities increased 246%, and publicly available exploits surged 179%. Ransomware attacks were up 179%, blamed on stolen credentials and outdated software. Globally, data breaches climbed an alarming 235%, exposing over 9.45 billion records, with 2/3 from US organizations. Flashpoint recommends intelligence-driven security strategies, including monitoring underground marketplaces for credentials and implementing multi-factor authentication. Proactive defense is crucial against these rapidly evolving threats. Now for some good news on the defense front. Microsoft has launched the public preview of its new Phishing Triage agent, integrated into Microsoft Defender under the Security Copilot framework. This tool is designed to significantly reduce the burden on security teams. The Phishing Triage agent autonomously analyzes user-reported phishing emails using AI, distinguishing real threats from false alarms. A key feature is its natural language explanations for its decisions, providing clear rationale for analysts. It also learns and improves over time with administrator feedback. Designed for quick setup, the agent aims to automatically dismiss an estimated 90% of false positive reports, freeing up security teams to focus on genuine threats. Its output integrates with Microsoft's automated investigation and response system for identifying and remediating related threats. This is part of Microsoft's broader initiative to introduce AI agents that automate high-volume security tasks. With billions of phishing emails detected annually, scalable automation like this is crucial to prevent security operations centers from being overwhelmed. And that wraps up this week's Redmond audio report for August 13th. We've covered some major developments from Microsoft's extensive GPT-5 integration and Windows 11's improved recovery features, to critical warnings from CrowdStrike and Flashpoint about rising AI exploits, cloud attacks, and credential theft, alongside Microsoft's new Phishing Triage agent for beefed up security. It's clear that both innovation and challenges are moving at a rapid pace in the tech world. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check out redmondmag.com for these stories and much more. Until next time, I'm Chris Paoli, and we'll catch you on the next Redmond Audio Report.